I'm going to create one dining table, round shaped dining table. For that, from extended primitives, draw one chamfer cylinder. Okay, and then next, if it is there any adjustment from settings, we can do the adjustment height, radius, that option central. Next, for leg, from standard primitives, draw one cylinder. From top view only we can draw. Then after that we can give the height of that object. Then that given height we can see in front view and left view also though. So that leg part arrange correct down. Then from settings, adjust the height, move the object down. Here no need of give extra segments, height segments and all. Why? Because if we are giving more segments, system will become hang. Then next, create one box from top view for leg support. Okay. Then select the move tool, move the object down. Yes. Next, for this box we can do some shape changes, and for that first move the object, then select right button. From right button, select option convert to editable poly, then select vertex. We can do some changes here. For that, select scale tool. R is a shortcut of scale tool, just to do some stretching and next, again vertex, move down, select option quick slice. Next, from top view, just we can give one slice here. Okay. Then in perspective view we can see that cutting correct properly. After creating, we given another one more extra cutting, that is what quick slice we did. Then select the polygon, after that select bevel option. We can give correct proper height for bevel and beveling adjustment also. Then okay. Now we created one leg support. Okay, and then I am doing little more adjustment for that leg. Okay, then now we created one leg. The same thing we should take multiple copies. For that, just select option angle snap toggle, right button. Then we can set here angles also. Suppose we need 45-degree angle, we can give 45 degree. We can set the angle 45 degree. So 360 divided by 45, we will get total 8 copies. 1 copy is there, extra we need 7 copy. First only arrange the pivot point center. For that we can use hierarchy. Then next, select a rotation tool, copy number 7. Why? Because already 1 copy is there. So yes, it's over. Yes, now we created leg support with the correct angle, 45-degree angle. Then select that all created object. Go to group menu, group, okay. Now this is one single object. Yes, we can give one simple material also for this. Now we are not giving wear material or some other material, normal standard material we are giving. For that, select standard, okay. Yes, next from diffuse, go down, select option bitmap. Yes, okay. Already saved one material is there in my system, wood material. Just select open, just selected object, apply assign material to selection. Yes, now we applied material for this object. And then we can do rendering also. In rendering we can't see. Why? Because this is in VRA rendering mode. Okay, we should change that to normal normal render. For that click F10. From F10 we can change the rendering settings, normal rendering settings. Render, scanline render, render. Yes, now we can see our object, but that material is not correct proper. How we will give correct proper material, how to arrange the material tiling and all, I will explain in another one video. Okay. Yes, now we created one table. Next we have to create chairs also. After creating table, we can create next chairs. Okay. Before that, first we can create one plane for alignment. Okay, like a floor. Okay. Created after creating this already, now we created a table. Next we are going to create a chair also. That both object we can arrange correct properly in this plane. Okay. This plane representing floor. Okay. For that, one smooth surface we can create. Okay. For that, again go to extended primitive, select one chamfer box, then we will get one smooth corner edged box. Okay. After that, that fillet, now we can see in perspective that fillet value is more, so just to reduce the value. Okay. Next, the same object we can take one more copy, 90-degree angle. Before that we told about angle snap toggle. First set angle 90-degree, then one more copy we can take. Okay. Then that extra copied object also we can arrange correct properly. Zoom that area correct, then adjust correct properly. Okay, in topi we can see that correctly we arranged. Next we can create legs. For that, go to standard primitive, select one box object, then draw in correct correct corner side from topi only. Then select front view or left view, arrange the object correct properly down. Okay, that object, newly created object, didn't touch the floor, so that object we can arrange correct down of that table. That newly created object size is too big, so little bit we can reduce the size. For that we can use a scale tool, shortcut R we can use for that. Then next we can adjust the object correct. Next, only that leg height we can increase from settings, box settings. Next, move the object correct proper down. Then now that object touching the floor. Okay. That two object height we can increase. The same value we can give for that. For that we can use copy paste also. When we will create that time only we can give the adjustment. Okay. Next, see, now we created one leg. Next we should take a copy of that. Before that, if it is there in adjustment for that object, that we can do. Okay. Yes, select the object. Next we can do any adjustment. For that just right button, select, convert to editable poly. Before that we did for table also the same thing. Just drag and select down part, and from top view do uniform scaling. Okay, now that chair down leg support, down part we reduce the size. And then the same thing I took one more opposite side, also one more copy. Press Ctrl and select that both object, and that opposite side also we will take one more extra copy. Okay. Yes, it's over. just select that all object, go to group. Okay, this is group 2. Okay. After creating the object, next select that object, and then we can give material. Previously we gave material already. The same material we can apply for selected object. Next, that created object we can take multiple copies. Okay, just I need copy of 60-degree angle. So 60-degree means 360 divided by 60, we will get 6 copy. So already one object is there. Extra we should take 5 more copies. For that, first only go to hierarchy, affect pivot only. That pivot point we should change. Then only from that center onwards we can take a copy. Okay, that is the purpose of that. Next, okay, we arranged that pivot point correct center. Then just set the angle 60-degree. Once again, just please check that, and then select a rotation tool, press the shift for copy. Then after that we can give number of copy number 5. Okay, now we created extra 5 more copies with the correct 60-degree angle. Okay, yes. Then for render, present view render, we can use F9. Yeah, done. Now we created dining table.